Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to update my iPhone SE 2016 as well as the iPhone 6s to the iOS 15.6.1. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So, iOS 15.6.1 has been out now. You can install on your support iOS device, including for the iPod Touch 7th generation. So, let me show you general software update 15.6.1. Let me show you in my success. .6.1. So it takes about 137.3 MB on my iPhone 6s, and on the SE it takes about 127.8 MB. It takes a bit less compared to the 6s. So now let's download and install both of these iPhone. Actually, I have another 6s, the black color, but I won't updating to the latest version because I'm trying to stay on the iOS 15.5. Just try it. Maybe later I will update it to the latest version. Don't worry. Try on this two device first. 36 seconds remaining. 7 minutes remaining. So now my iPhone SE just automatic updates without pressing the installing. Alright. And my 6s is still in preparing update. So as you can see here, my SE 2016 just finished the update, as you can see. Now on the hello screen, while my 6s is still on the preparing update. I am not sure why it is taking too long, but never mind, just wait it. Alright, so let's install now. Verifying update. While it is in charging, 36% now. Alright, now we already reached the Apple logo software update. Finally. Alright, so both of these iPhone already been updated to the latest version. Now they are already in hello screen. Alright, that's my cat, very cute. Get started. Get started. .6.1. Alright, so we already finished updating to the latest version. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this iOS 15.6.1 updating to both of these phones, and also has been out in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.